This is Scott Whitwam with your morning real estate investor update. And today's top story, real estate dead end. 2024 is lining up to be the worst sales year in my lifetime. What is causing this crazy ride for real estate investors? Inflation, public, financial, and energy policy, Federal Reserve monetary policy, and therefore interest rates. This has led to inventory shortages, then higher than normal days on market, escalating wholesale prices, retail, and rental prices. At this point, I would have to say the number one question I'm being asked by investors is, do you have any deals coming up that I can buy? It is like we took a turn on the road with a dead end. The real question that remains, with the presidential election just days away, will the American people make a change in their representatives who will implement the current fiscal and energy policies or new ones and make some dynamic changes? In today's mortgage rate update, experts disagree. The insiders and experts disagree with the way the Fed is handling inflation and interest rates. According to Reuters, the Federal Reserve will cut rates by a quarter point, 25 basis points, November 7th. In their poll of economists, more than 90% predict another quarter percent move in the rates both in November and in December, adding another half-point cut in total. Many experts believe the first half-point cut in September was too aggressive, as inflation has spiked slightly since then. But it looks like it'll be more of the same. Bankrate is reporting their national average for rates on the 30-year fixed mortgage was up from 6.71% last week to 6.86% this week, another large basis point increase. The 15-year rate remains above 6%, with the 15-year average ending at 6.18, which is up from 6.02 from the previous week. In today's wrap-up, hold your breath. The reality is most real estate investors are already holding their breath. Why? With two very dynamically different presidential candidates awaiting an outcome of an election, it will be their vision for America that will determine the foundation of real estate investing for the next 4 years. We are currently in the worst real estate sales market in my lifetime. This is also affecting rentals, as would-be young tenants are opting to move back in with relatives. Something needs to happen, and it sure will. What the happening will look like will soon be revealed, hopefully by the end of Election Day. So get prepared for what we hope will be a joyful exhale. Be sure to subscribe to the Morning Real Estate Investor Update and catch me on the weekly Whitwam Wealth Real Estate Podcast.